Is your Windows 11 stuck at ready to install or install now? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. During a Windows upgrade or installation, you will see a ready to install screen just before the installation commences. While in most cases things go smoothly, the installation or upgrade may get stuck on this ready to install screen. If you face this issue during Windows setup, here are a few things you could try to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Wait for installation to complete. If you are stuck for an hour or so, you can try waiting for at least 3 to 4 hours or possibly 5 hours to see if progress is made. Sometimes Windows becomes unresponsive due to hardware issues, network problems, or other issues, and it can take a significant amount of time to resolve. In case it takes any longer, you can exit the installation. You can try restarting the PC 2 to 3 times to see if that resolves the issue. Method 2. Remove the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes Windows needs to verify something online, and if it is not able to connect to the internet properly, the upgrade gets stuck. You can disconnect the network cable or turn off your primary Wi-Fi router to see if the upgrade process resumes. You can do it before or even in between the upgrade process. Method 3. Exit the installation. You can try to choose cancel and exit the installation process. Else, you are using an ISO tool, remove it and press F8 to bring the boot menu option. You need to get into the advanced startup screen and then choose to restore the older version. To boot into the advanced startup options in Windows, you can hold down the shift key and then click restart from the power menu in start. On restart, you will see the advanced startup option screen. Next, click on troubleshoot. When you do this, you are offered, then click on advanced options. Here you should see for System Restore, System Image Recovery, Startup Repair, Command Prompt, Startup Settings, and options to go back to the previous build. Once it restores, you can try upgrading again. You can also follow this guide for details. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.